Are you eagerly preparing for your upcoming adventure, envisioning the wonders that await you in a far-off destination? As you embark on your journey, one crucial task awaits: packing your checked-in luggage. While it may seem like a daunting task, fear not. With a well-thought-out plan and a step-by-step guide, you can transform the packing process into a seamless and organized experience. So gather your wanderlust and let's delve into the art of packing for a seamless travel experience. Start by creating a comprehensive packing list to ensure you don't forget any essential items. Categorize the items into clothing, toiletries, electronics, etc. This will help you stay organized throughout the packing process. It is advisable to have a running checklist of items you wish to pack for the travel. Make it on your phone or a laptop or just in a notebook. I make my checklist at least a week in advance for international travel and about a day or two for a domestic trip. This list is personalized and is dependent on the type of vacation, time of the travel, and the destination. Choose the right suitcases. Select a sturdy, durable suitcase that meets the airline's size and weight restrictions for checked luggage. Consider a suitcase with wheels for easy transportation. Personally, I prefer soft shell suitcase over a hard shell one due to their flexibility and weightlessness. Choice is yours, but regardless of the suitcase you choose, make sure it is very lightweight and has wheels. Sort and organize your belongings. Lay out all the items you plan to pack on a clean surface. Sort them into categories and assess how many you will actually need on your trip. This will give you a visual idea of how much space you will need or have. Remember, less is more when it comes to travel. Place heavy electronics in your carry-on. While most electronics can be packed in checked luggage, it is advisable to carry valuable or fragile electronics such as laptops or cameras in your carry-on bag. This ensures they are well protected and easily accessible during the journey. If you're carrying any fragile items like glass bottles, wrap them in a soft clothing or bubble wrap for protection. Place them in the center of the suitcase surrounded by cushioning layers of clothing. Roll your clothes. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them helps save space and minimize wrinkles. Start with bulkier items like jeans and sweaters and roll lighter garments such as t-shirts and dresses. Place them neatly in the suitcase, making use of the corners and gaps. Cotton and linen clothes wrinkle faster than polyester blend clothes. Stuff socks or smaller items into shoes to save space. Place the shoes along the sides of the suitcase, heel to toe, in a shoe bag or plastic bags to protect your clothing. Pack accessories like belts and hats in the gaps between shoes. Again, carry no more than a couple pairs of footwear on your trip. Utilize packing cubes or compression bags. Packing cubes or compression bags can be a lifesaver for maximizing space. Group similar items together in separate cubes or bags, such as underwear, swimwear, or electronics. Compress the bags using a vacuum to reduce the size and stack them in the suitcase. This will most certainly double your suitcase space. Secure liquids and toiletries. Place liquids and toiletries in leak-proof travel bottles or Ziploc bags to prevent any spills. Make sure they adhere to the airline's liquid restrictions. Consider packing them in a separate toiletry bag or a waterproof pouch to keep them organized and easily accessible. Use mini refillable perfume bottles to carry your favorite fragrance instead of taking the original bottles. Keep these in a more accessible spot in the event you aren't sure of the TSA requirements. Pack a travel essentials bag. Prepare a small bag containing essential items that you may need during your journey or upon arrival. Include items like travel documents, medication, a travel adapter, chargers, and a reusable water bottle. Keep this bag easily accessible in an external pocket of your suitcase. Pack a small first aid kit. Include a basic first aid kit essentials like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any necessary prescription medications. Keep it in an easily accessible compartment of your suitcase for emergencies. Separate clean and dirty clothes. Pack a separate laundry bag or packing cube to keep your dirty clothes separate from clean ones. This will maintain organization and make unpacking easier once you reach your destination. Distribute weight evenly. To prevent your suitcase from toppling over or becoming too heavy on one side, distribute the weight evenly. Place heavier items towards the bottom and lighter items on top. This ensures better stability and easier maneuvering. Before leaving for the airport, use a luggage scale to weigh your suitcase to ensure it meets the airline's weight requirements. This helps you avoid potential overweight baggage fees or hassle of repacking at the airport. Airtags and locking your suitcase. Before closing the suitcase, double-check that everything is securely packed. Fasten any straps or buckles inside the suitcase to prevent items from moving around. Invest in AirTags and place them inside your bags to track your luggage. Finally, lock the suitcase to ensure its safety during transit. It's always a good idea to leave some extra space in your luggage for souvenirs or items you may acquire during your trip. Congratulations! You just finished packing your checked-in luggage with me. For more useful travel tips, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Travel on a Dime, right now.